Okay, we got everything we need here for the inside of the mouth. I've taken the mouth, I've cut it off a little bit here, notched this out in here, taken some out in here. This block, we'll put a hinge here to here, and this will go inside the mouth. This will get screwed in to stay in permanently. So if you have to take the mouth off, you just unscrew the bottom hinges. We have a 1-inch hinge which we're going to use. We have a 3-inch spring. We have our wood dowel, 1/2-inch wood dowel. That goes in here. That's for the string to come up and open down through our hole. The mouth goes in there, and I've marked the sides where I want to put our block. So I drilled a hole through here, bored it out so we can inset our screw on both sides, and then we'll cover that with putty when we get to that stage. I have a 24-inch piece of string. We have a 1-inch ring that we're going to use. We have our eyes. We have this hook. Goes down here, so you can put a rubber band on it, and put the rubber band to the bottom of the body where there's another hook which holds it. We have one hook up here. That's for your spring. We got these 2 small eye hooks. One will get attached in here. That's where our spring will connect. The other one will get attached back here. That's where we're going to tie our string to. And we have our 2 ears that we made. So we'll start to assemble the inside of the head. We've marked where we want this to go. So that is going to get screwed in. That's with the sides here. And then the mouth will go down here. And that's where we're going to put our hinge.